Vanry chain, or Vanry, is a coin that I still believe has huge upside potential over the coming weeks and months, as long as some key support levels hold. So in this video, I'm going to take a look at some potential entry points if you don't already have a position, and my targets from here. Before we begin the analysis, I'd really appreciate if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below I'll pin two links. One, a link to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates, and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about us. So looking here at the daily chart for Vanry, we can see that actually we are, although we've had a good move over the sort of last few weeks, really since early November, as with the rest of the market, but this coin is still trading some 61% down from the March highs. Now what I'm looking at here is we have just sort of reclaimed this key daily demand level over the last few days, running back throughout the year. Really, this has been sort of significant support throughout quarter two 2024. This then was lost and became resistance for a long period of sort of sideways movement up until November. We have just reclaimed that over the last couple of days. So what I want to see over the next few days is this to sort of hold. I don't really want to see acceptance back below this level on the daily time frame, looking for continuation higher. And we can also see that we have a trend line here running from the 5th of November, which since we have retested it each time has given a really strong move. Again, don't want to see acceptance back below this, and I'm actually looking for, if we do get any wick into this area over the coming days, I want to see a sort of stronger move to break this daily resistance at around the 17 cents level. Just below that, we can see this yellow line. This is the daily EMA 200, and we can see sort of historically just how key this has been. Sort of when we traded below it, even going back last year, trading below it. Look how it was sort of daily resistance so many times, and you flip it, becomes support. Now, since June, when we did lose that level, we can see we did have a number of retests on the daily, multiple retests. It was really strong resistance. We did flip this mid-November, sort of the 23rd of November, the EMA 200 on the daily was flipped. So we want to see this continue to hold. So at the worst case scenario, if we do get a wick down to the 12 cents area, for me that's a really strong level to accumulate. We've also got this old daily resistance there, so you'd expect some strong support if we did get any wick down into this, but really want to see this trend line and the EMA 200 maintained on the daily time frame. We can sort of expect, generally the first retest of the daily EMA 200, even if this comes a bit further down the line, a good place to take an entry. So I would personally recommend setting alerts for the EMA 200 daily to take a potential swing or even a scalp position from that area. My targets from here, if this daily demand holds, is the next level will be sort of 23 cents. I'm looking for a move up to the June highs here, the June resistance. So something like this, sort of like hold this level here and move up towards that level. That does give like probably a 75% move or 56% move from the current position, as long as this daily demand level is maintained. 23 cents becomes my next target, flip above that, and then I'm eyeing the March highs again back above 30 cents. My personal target for Vanry is somewhere between 50-75 cents this bull run at a minimum, but yeah, for me from here, looking for a move towards 23 cents. But as mentioned, set an alert for the daily EMA 200. This has yet to be retested, and I expect the sort of first retest of this to give significant upside move. Let me know your thoughts, guys, in the comments, what your targets are for Vanry. Are you holding this? And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.